Okay, but can we talk about how impossible it is to keep your dorm room clean? Like, seriously, between classes, studying, and trying to maintain some semblance of a social life, who even has time to clean? I swear, my dorm room was like a disaster zone 99% of the time. Clothes everywhere, dishes piled up. It was honestly a miracle I ever found anything. And don't even get me started on the mysterious sticky substances that seem to appear out of thin air. But guess what? I'm here to drop some serious cleaning knowledge that will change your entire life, or at least your dorm room situation. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Get ready to have your minds blown with these 5, insanely easy cleaning hacks that every single college student needs to know. All right, let's be real, the kitchen is probably the most terrifying place in your entire dorm. It's like a war zone in there. But it doesn't have to be a total nightmare. The key is to tackle those high traffic areas. We're talking about the countertops and the sink, people. Those babies need love too. Trust me, a little bit of dish soap and a microfiber cloth go a long way. Just wipe down those surfaces every day, or every other day if you're feeling lazy. And for the love of all things tidy, please, please, please wash your dishes after you use them. It's not cute, it's actually disgusting. Okay, I know, laundry is like the bane of every college student's existence. But trust me, it doesn't have to be a traumatic experience. The secret? Laundry day, my friends. Dedicate one glorious day a week, or every other week, no judgment, to washing all of your clothes. And before you even think about throwing everything in the washing machine, please, for the love of all things clean, sort your laundry. Whites with whites, colors with colors, delicates all by themselves. It's not rocket science, people. And while you're at it, take a quick glance at those care labels. You don't want to accidentally shrink your favorite sweater or turn everything you own pink. It's happened to the best of us. Chapter 3, Dorm Room Glow Up. Let's be real, dorm rooms are basically like black holes for dust bunnies. But don't worry, I've got you covered. A mini vacuum is like your new best friend. And for those hard-to-reach places, grab yourself a handheld duster. Trust me, these little tools will change your life. And speaking of dorm room life, can we talk about the lack of space? Where are you supposed to put all your stuff? The answer, my friends, is organization. Invest in some cute storage bins, shelves, anything to maximize the space you do have. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Chapter 4, Bathroom Breakdown. Okay, the bathroom. It can be a sanctuary or a straight-up nightmare. Let's make it a sanctuary, shall we? First things first, establish a cleaning routine. Focus on the essentials, like the sink, toilet, and shower. And guess what? You don't need a million different cleaning products to get the job done. Vinegar and baking soda are your new best friends. They're cheap, effective, and they won't leave your bathroom smelling like a chemical factory. Oh, and one last thing. If you're living in a dorm or sharing a bathroom, please, for the love of all things sanitary, clean up after yourself. Chapter 5, Clean Queen King. Boom! There you have it, folks. 5 insanely easy cleaning hacks that will transform your college life. You're welcome. But seriously, these tips are actually life-changing. And the best part? They're so easy, even the laziest college student can manage them. So go forth and conquer those cleaning challenges. I believe in you. See you never, germs! Okay, but how much better do you feel now knowing all these amazing cleaning hacks? It's like a weight has been lifted, right? You're welcome. I'm basically a cleaning guru now. I should start my own cleaning empire. Just kidding. Unless... Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed these tips, and I hope they actually inspire you to clean your disgusting dorm rooms. I'm kidding. Or am I? Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for dropping in today, and as always, stay tuned for more life-changing advice from yours truly. Peace out!